Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover Snapchat account without phone number or email. And in here, I'm going to start by opening the Snapchat apps on my phone. So as you guys can see here, if you want to log in into Snapchat, you need to use username or email and also enter your password, or you can also use your phone number. But if you don't have, or like you forgot both of them, you can try to click on this forgot your password button. And again, in here you need to choose how you want to reset your password, and you need to enter phone or emails in here. So let's click on the via email first, and in here you can just type in your email and then click on send confirmation code, or you can also try to use your phone. But if you cannot remember both of them, here you just need to click on the need help option. So if you don't have access to your phone or emails, you need to contact the Snapchat support team directly, and they may be able to assist you if you can provide additional information. So let's click on a need help. Here you can just click on something else. For example, here you can just choose I can access my account in here. You can see the options from here with I forget. Okay, this one's right here. I forgot or can access my email or phone number. So let's click on this one, and in here you for security reasons, we are unable to reset a password for an account if your account doesn't have an associated email address or mobile number, you do not know the associated email address, and you don't have access to the email address. So here Snapchat explained that you cannot recover the Snapchat account if you don't have the phone and also the email number associated to the account. But you can try to still contact the Snapchat support team by providing additional information like username, your date of birth, your friend list if you remember any usernames or real names of your friends, and or any memorable moments or events. And you can try to contact them by visiting the help.snapchat.com, or you can also look for the contact us section, and you can explain your situation and clearly state that you've lost access to your account and cannot recover it using the standard methods. And you can also provide as much information as possible, include the details mentioned about that before. So you need to make sure that the um, Snapchat are sure you are the owner of the account. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.